Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix buzzing sound on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our control panel. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's appearing here, click on Open to continue. So the control panel contains all of the computer settings that we have in our machine. Now, if your window doesn't look like this, simply proceed to the upper right side of it. You can see their view by. Click on this down arrow icon and go with large icons. Once you've set it, please locate for sound. In my case, it is being placed at the first row next to programs and features. So click on it and eventually you will be able to bring up a small window which is the sound window. Here you need to proceed with the recording and select your recording device. So this is my default device. Just select your recording device and the moment you do it, please make a right click and go with this last option which is properties. So in that way, you'll be able to open up the microphone properties of your recording device. From here, you need to proceed with the second section next to general, which is listen. So from here, the reason why you face an error is that you have checked this one, which is listen to this device. So that's very important, or it is very crucial to uncheck it so that you won't be able to hear a buzzing sound in your Windows 11. So from that, go with apply and then OK. Once you've set it, click on OK, close the window, navigate to the start icon, and make a restart. So click on this power menu and go with restart. Once you've restarted your computer, you won't be able to hear a buzzing sound anymore. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.